Ariane has grown up to be a gentle, loving, and generous soul. She's as beautiful on the inside as she is as you see her on the outside.
I just want to say that, I'm so lucky to have a sister that's so driven and talented and amazing.
Aeri, you have been a sister to me. We've cried together, laughed together, traveled together, and grown up together. And even through everything we've experienced, I've honestly never seen you as happy as you were when I first came to visit you and Andrew in Orlando.
We are gathered here today to witness the coming together of two people whose hearts and spirits are already entwined as one. In fact, those of you who know Andrew and Aeri best can attest to their love for one another and to the blended hopes, dreams, and goals that they share.
Genevieve, Kristen, and I, sharing your family's pride of the man you become, in your accomplishments, and also your taste in women.
Congratulations, today is your day. You're off to great places, you're off and away. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself any direction you choose. So be sure when you step with great care and great tact, and remember that life is a great balancing act. So you'll move mountains. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Andrew makes me want to be better all around with his love and unrelenting support, to give more freely, to run faster, to work harder, and to be better. She is the rock who has gotten me through the hard times of training, and now we are reaping the benefits of it together.
I, Andrew, take you, Ariane,
As my friend and my love.
as my friend and my love.
I, Ariane, take you, Andrew,
As my friend and my love.
as my friend and my love.
As you, Andrew, and Aeri have pledged your vows, have consented to wed each other, and have consecrated this celebration by the giving and accepting of wedding rings, by the virtue of the authority vested in me under the laws of our beautiful state of Florida, I now have the wonderful privilege to pronounce you husband and wife together. Andrew, you may kiss your beautiful bride. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please rise as I have the wonderful privilege to present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Dr. and Mrs. Andrew Caldwell.
So when my sister and I were little kids, sometimes we'd be walking around and I'd just break down. And so I was the robot and broken. And then Aeri would have to come up behind me and wind me back up. So you've always been there to wind me back up. Together you've grown as people and you've helped each other out. And when your robot counterpart breaks down, you're there to wind each other back up.
I could not be happier to invite Aeri into my family, as Andrew is obviously one of my best friends in the world, and Aeri is now one of my best friends in the world.
Andrew and Aeri are absolutely the perfect couple. It is my pleasure and my great honor to be my brother's best man and to witness their marriage here this evening and to welcome Aeri into our family.
love you guys, and cheers to the Caldwells.